Book of Heaven, Volume 12, March 16, 1917. How the tight union between the soul and God is never broken. My usual state continues, and my always lovable Jesus makes himself seen almost like a flash and flying past. And if I lament, he tells me,
my daughter, poor daughter, if you knew what will happen, you would suffer very much. And I, in order not to make you suffer so much, try to escape you.
And I return to lament, saying to him, my life, I did not expect this from you. You who seem to be incapable and unable to be without me. And now, hours and hours, and sometimes it seems you want to let the entire day go by. Jesus, don't do this to me. How you have changed. And Jesus surprises me and says to me,
calm yourself, calm yourself. I have not changed. I am immutable. Even more, I tell you that when I communicate myself to the soul and I have kept her clasped with me, I have spoken to her. I have poured out my love. This is never broken between me and the soul. At the most, I change the way, now one way, now another. But always I keep inventing how to speak to her and pour myself out with her in love. And don't you yourself see that? If I have not told you anything in the morning, I am almost waiting for the evening to say a word to you. And when they read the applications of my passion, since I am in you, I pour myself up to the brim of your soul, and I speak to you of my most intimate things, which I had not manifested until now, and of how the soul must follow me in that operating of mine. Those applications will be the mirror of my interior life, and whoever will reflect himself in it will copy my own life within himself. Oh, how they reveal my love, my thirst for souls, and in each fiber of my heart, in each of my breaths, thoughts, etc. Therefore I speak to you more than ever, but as soon as I finish, I hide, and you, not seeing me, tell me that I have changed. Even more, I tell you that when you do not want to repeat with your voice what I say to you in your interior, you hinder my outpouring of love.